So, the topic we have today is position, distance, and displacement. Position, distance, and displacement. So the position of a point is in space is determined by a distance and direction from other points. The position of a point in space is determined by its distance and direction from other points. The statement of position is accomplished by means of frame of reference or a point of reference, which we call the origin. So the statement of position is accomplished by means of a frame of reference or a point of reference, which we call the origin, in order to locate the position of a point in a plane, such as blackboard, white paper, and a plane, the white paper and the wall of a room. So, it is customary, in order to locate a position of a point, it is customary to draw two lines intersecting at an origin or and a perpendicular to each other. For instance, this is the y-axis, which is the vertical line, and the x-axis, which is the horizontal line. And we have the points P, Q, R, and S. The point P is x1 and the y1, while the point Q is 2 and minus 3. The point R is minus 2 and the minus 3, while the point S is minus 1 and the 3. So, the horizontal line going across from left to right is called the x-axis, and the vertical line going up the board is called the y-axis. And by convention, point to the right of O along the x-axis is positive, and point to the left of O are negative. Point above O, this O is the origin, which is the starting point. Points above O along the y-axis, they are all positive, and points below O are all negative. For instance, P point is x1 and y1. This simply means P is x1 in the plus x direction and y1 in the plus y direction. While the point Q is 2 and minus 3, simply means Q is 2 units on the plus x direction and 3 units in the minus y direction. While R is minus 2 and minus 3, simply means R is minus 2 units in the minus x direction and 3 units in the minus y direction. Lastly, S is minus 1 and 3. It also means that S is 1 in the minus 1 minus x direction and 3 in the plus y direction. So this is how to locate a point by making a reference to x and the y axis. This is how to locate a point by making a reference to x and the y axis. So, the coordinate is also called the abscissa. The x coordinate is also called the abscissa. This is the x coordinate. It is also called abscissa, and the y coordinate is also called the ordinate, which is the second name for each of them. If I say abscissa, I mean x axis. If I say ordinate, I mean y axis. So this is how to locate a point from the wall of a room, blackboard, a plain paper, graph paper, and so on and so forth. Is that clear, class? Is that clear?
Yes.
All right. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Do you all understand?
Yes.
Do you all understand, class?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
No, you should have questions. Any questions?
No.
Okay.